Afternoon, Dan from DJ Lofts again. Haven't done a little video for a couple of days, so I thought I'd give you another little video. This time we're on a job in Bromham in Bedford. So a little brief about this job. Basically, it's a flat roof dormer at the rear. It's got 3 Velux windows at the front. It's going to turn into a master with a lovely size ensuite. Very similar to another one we've just completed in Bromham. Typical style property around here, seems to be quite a few of them. But yeah, I thought I'd just give you another look at, I've done a lot of like finished examples and stuff like that, but then equally we've got nothing to hide about the bare bones of it as well. So some people are keen to see what they look like behind. So what I'll do is I'll flip the camera. So this is on dormer day. So we've basically got all the roof up, the rubber's glued down on the roof. So we use a Peldex system. So whereas the insulation's on top, so it's called a warm roof. So that gap in between at the end is basically filled with insulation as well. So there's no, it's just a warm roof. So then we put a vapor barrier over the top, so no vapor goes in there. Windows going in that one there. We're yet to get another window built in there, but by this afternoon that'll all be trimmed out. Window openings ready for our supplier to give the measurements to, and cladded. So yeah, so this is the flat roof dormer as such. So if you can imagine, you've got this gained space, whereas that angle there is the original roof space. So we've gained a fantastic amount of space, not only in the floor space, but equally the usability. So that enables then for us to have a shower ensuite in this area here quite comfortably, albeit it doesn't look like it at the moment, but it will do once that wall comes through. Then we've got a stairway coming over where that insulation is, and then we'll have another little Velux directly above. We always try and get it nice and central over the existing, so just aesthetics when you're going down the stairs, you can see it, but equally those kind of things need to be done now. So it's all about, we're always forward thinking. So to give us the best finish possible, we're kind of thinking day one, what do we need to do to be able to get the Velux center, for example. Just silly little things like that, but can make a massive difference come the end of the project, because nothing worse than a window being off center in a space and stuff like that. Sometimes it's not always possible, but if you do it at the correct time, it is. So yeah, so then we've got 2 other windows going in there. I believe they're an MK04, looking by the size. So we had a bit of down days last week whilst the weather is a little bit crap. So what the lads have done, instead of sitting at home, they've basically come in, done a bit of insulation where they can. So it's a little bit earlier than what we normally would, but same again, maximising the time and just basically not sitting at home and trying to get as much done as possible. Floor joists, so we've got 9x2s at 400 centres here. So what we do is span off the back of the house, so the existing wall plate. And then we've got a new structural beam in there, so that's what we'd call an eaves beam, because it holds the dwarf wall effectively. So in between that wall and that wall is your finished roof. Give or take, it's probably about 4.85 metres. So it's quite a substantial amount of space that you can gain. Because there's a chimney there and they're reusing the chimney, we then put a temporary post in timber at the moment. But then we will put a metal post because it's sitting on top of this spine beam. So we've got a metal beam in the floor, which then takes the metal post, connects it onto the thing, but it's just in timber so that we can build the dormer and get it up. And then that end we have a bearing plate spreading onto the existing gable wall. So yeah, just give you another look round so you can see what's what. Got the chipboard flooring that basically covers the whole area. So I'm here at the minute ordering the windows and ordering the bespoke set of stairs to the house. Like I say, so probably in about 3 weeks time we'll be in a position where it's fully plastered, walls up, second fix chippy here, probably completing all the skirtings and doors. So a project of this size typically is 4 to 5 weeks, something along those kind of lines, depending on what bits and bobs get added on along the way. But yeah, if I stand out here, you'll see space. So got all the materials up here. Yeah, so I just thought I'd give you another little look, see what it's like. Lads have been really busy, so I think we're only week one on this job now. We're gonna have some lovely views. But yeah. Thanks for watching. By all means, any questions or queries, let us know, or if you're interested in any surveys or just to see what your loft can offer. We've currently got like a 2.5 week lead time for surveys at the moment and fully booked up past September at the moment. But if that doesn't matter to yourself, by all means get in touch. We can certainly see what is possible towards the end of the year and go from there. But yeah, take a look at our website. Any questions, get in touch. Thanks.